In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a ClickUp consultant. We're going to walk through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own computer and apply to join ClickUp's verified consultant program. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type the phrase ClickUp consultant and hit enter. This is the easiest way to find the official consultant page without having to remember any specific URL. You should now see a list of results related to ClickUp Consulting. Among the top results, look for the one that mentions ClickUp Verified Consultants. The wording may be something like ClickUp Verified Consultants or ClickUp Consultants Program, and it should clearly be from the official ClickUp website. Go ahead and click on that result. This will take you to the section of ClickUp's site that talks about their network of approved consultants. Once that page loads, take a moment to scroll and get familiar with it. You'll usually see information about what consultants do, how they help clients with workflow and project management, and what the benefits of joining the program are. When you're ready to move forward, look for a button or link that says Become a Consultant. It's typically highlighted to stand out. Click that to start your application. You'll now be taken to a form where you can submit your details to apply. This is the most important part of the process, so move through it slowly and carefully. The form will usually ask for basic information like your name, contact details, your business or agency information if you have one, and sometimes your experience with ClickUp or similar tools. Make sure you enter accurate and up-to-date information in each field. If there are questions about your background or how you help clients, use clear, concise answers that show your familiarity with productivity systems and ClickUp itself. It can help to have your website, portfolio, or LinkedIn profile ready to copy and paste if they ask for links. Before you send anything, scroll back through the form and quickly double-check your entries for typos or missing fields. When you're confident everything is complete, look for the button at the bottom of the form that says Submit. Click Submit to send your application to the ClickUp team. After that, all you need to do is wait for their response. Keep an eye on your email inbox, including your spam or promotions folder, for any follow-up from ClickUp about the